Hi, I'm Erica Loomis with Little Fabric Shop. We put together a video on how to do basic foundation paper piecing. For this project, you're going to need the following supplies. You'll need a seam roller, a rotary cutter, color pens, an add-a-quarter ruler, scrap fabric, a cutting mat, and your foundation paper piecing template. For our first step, we find it helpful to assign a fabric color to each numbered section. Use a colored marker or pencil to match and mark each template section so it color coordinates with the fabric you will be assigning to each section. This will help you keep track of your fabric location and stay organized as you sew. For our next step, pre-cut all of the fabrics slightly larger than their assigned section number. Stack the fabric in numerical order from section 1 to section 13. Before you begin sewing, adjust your stitch length to 1.5. Take the fabric for section 1 and place it under the template, which is the side without printing, with the right side of the fabric facing out and away from the paper template. Place the fabric assigned to section 2 directly over the fabric of section 1, with the wrong side of the fabric facing outward. Overlap the line between section 1 and 2 by at least 1/4 inch into section 1. Flip the template over and sew with a shortened stitch length of approximately 1.5 directly along the line, separating section 1 from section 2. Backstitch at the beginning and the end of each seam. With the add-a-quarter ruler, trim the sewn seam to 1/4 inch. You will need to fold the paper back from the printed side of the template along the seam. Place the ruler against the folded paper so that you have a 1/4 inch overhang and then trim. Do not trim the paper template, only the fabric. Separate section 1 fabric from the section 2 fabric by folding section 2 away from section 1. Use your seam roller to press the seam. Repeat steps 3 through 7 for the remainder of the numbered sections of the foundation paper piecing template, working in numerical order. Once all the numbered sections have been sewn, cut the finished block along the 1/4 inch seam allowance. Use tweezers or your fingers to gently tear the paper away from the finished block. And just like that, your foundation paper piecing block is complete. If you love this tutorial and want to see more sewing tips, please give this video a thumbs up, save it for later, and share it with your favorite quilting buddies. Happy sewing!